Good evening from the National Weather Service in Slidell, Louisiana. Here is the weekly weather briefing for Sunday, February 21st, 2021. Here is a situation overview. A more spring-like pattern will persist as we close out the last week of February. Major pattern change from the unprecedented Arctic cold blast from last week. A weak frontal boundary will bring light showers Sunday night and early Monday morning, with less than a quarter of an inch expected. Dry and seasonal temperatures will persist through the middle of the week, with highs returning to the 60s. Another weak cold front will bring the possibility of light showers again on Thursday. A potentially more potent significant storm could impact the area next weekend. A lot of uncertainty at this time, but we'll fine-tune the details later this week. River points that will remain in flood: the Pearl River at Bogalusa and the Pearl River locations. Here is a current look at the current radar. We have a few showers that are hugging the Louisiana-Mississippi border area, extending all the way down to the Louisiana coast around Boothville. Expect rainfall to generally be light, ranging from about a quarter of an inch or less through the overnight hours. Here's a look at the temperatures for at least the first half of the week. Monday through Wednesday, it looks like our high temperatures are going to rebound into the middle and upper 60s in most places. Some areas could approach that 70-degree mark by Wednesday. And the temperatures should remain pretty much tranquil through the end of the week, and the 60s to around 70 through Saturday. Here's the rainfall forecast for the next 7 days. We're not expecting to see a lot as far as accumulating rainfall. Most areas should receive a ½ inch to an inch or less. Locally, possibly over an inch in some areas. Here are the river forecast and river gauges for the Pearl River at Bogalusa and the Pearl River at Pearl River. The current stage for the Pearl River at Pearl River is at 14.92 feet. We are expecting a slow rise and a crest of around 16 feet by the middle of this week, with a slow fall continuing through the end of the week, but remaining above flood stage through the next 7 days. For the Pearl River near Bogalusa, the current stage is observed at 19.75. We are expecting to see a crest of around 20.5 feet by the middle of the week, with a slow fall through the end of the week. Summary of impacts. A more spring-like pattern will persist as we close out the last week of February. Major pattern change from the unprecedented Arctic cold blast from last week. A weak frontal boundary will bring light showers tonight and early Monday, with less than a quarter of an inch of rainfall expected. Dry and seasonal temperatures will persist through midweek, with highs returning to the 60s. Another weak cold front will bring the possibility of light showers again on Thursday. A potentially more significant system will impact the area next weekend. A lot of uncertainty at this time, but we'll fine-tune the details later this week. Pearl River will remain in flood for Bogalusa and Pearl River locations. This will conclude your briefing for Sunday, February 21st. Have a good week.